Hello, wonderful friends out there in the world and all of my subscribers. So, this is a follow-up video for my recent repair of this pocket watch, Dépose called 477. Yeah, I will follow up here to show you how it works and all of that. Actually, after I put it back in place, I noticed that it was only working in dial down, I think, like this. When it was like this, it kept time and all of that, but then I noticed I put it back together, that it actually stopped. I was thinking, oh my god, I hope not. I have seen this many times with the balance, and you need to replace the balance stuff, and that is something I still need to learn. But actually I noticed that the center wheel was touching a little bit on the balance, actually, when it got in dial up like this, and I am pretty sure this must be a quite common problem with this type of watches, because there is not much space between the balance and the center wheel, and also of course the barrel is there also. I will show you with a video to clarify a little bit. So I actually just pressed the wheel up a little bit in different positions. As I noted, it did work for the first, when I just turned it up, I kind of twisted it a little bit, so then it worked, and then it stopped again, so I had to fix it. It is not impossible that during work, when I placed the center wheel to the cannon pinion, that I actually might damage the center wheel. It's not impossible, because I remember when I placed the center wheel on the cannon pinion, I was working a little bit on that. It didn't feel quite on, and I pushed a little bit and maybe got a little bit turned. I'm not completely sure though. But then I was thinking that this might be a quite common problem, because there is not much space between them. So, but it was an easy fix, and since then this has been working very good. It is keeping the time perfectly, and it hasn't stopped since then. I have been using it several days, so I hope that it will work for a long time more. Of course, it's a really wonderful pocket watch, and now I'm using this with the silver chain here. It's really wonderful, so that's very positive. So based on that, I'm pretty happy with this repair of this wonderful pocket watch, which has more than 100 years old, and the balance is working perfectly, and I'm really happy with the result. I was worried that the balance, that I had to replace the balance stuff, as I told you, but it wasn't the case. So when this came to the workshop, probably and most certainly it was all dirt which was jamming the train, and it didn't work, because as soon as I cleaned it and I have oiled it and polished the case, then it has been working really fine without any problems. So with that said, I'm super happy, and hope you are too, and thank you for watching these videos, and let's learn all of these things together. This is very nice pure silver. I love it. Thank you so so much and take care out there.